So we will now put the two graphic symbols with movement together, compile them together in the main timeline or main stage. So to demonstrate it here, click scene 1, and you can actually adjust the size of the main stage. If you think that it's too small for you, you go to properties and then change the width to 720 and retain the height to 400. Okay, and click library and just drag your graphic symbol boy underscore movement 1 and boy underscore movement 2 to the main stage or timeline of your file. So I'll click boy movement 1 and drag it over to the main timeline. You can actually resize it there and press Ctrl Enter. Oh, you cannot see the movement because you only have one frame on layer 1. So you just add more layers. Since boy underscore movement 1 has 60 frames inside it, so we go back to scene 1. So on layer 1 we add more frames by pressing F5 on frame 60 and then press Ctrl Enter to see the movement of your character there. So you have the first dance move of your character, and then you just add another layer for the second dance move of your character. So let's close this one and add another layer. So layer 2 will start with frame 61. So let's add keyframe there by pressing F6, or you can add a blank keyframe by pressing F7 and then you drag boy underscore movement 2 going to your main stage. Notice that the boy underscore movement 2 graphic symbol will appear on frame 61 or right after the boy underscore movement 1. Okay, so we have the boy underscore movement 1 on layer 1, and then we have the boy underscore movement 2 on layer 2 starting from frame 61, and again add frames until frame 120. Press F5 so you may see the movement of your character. So you press Ctrl Enter, so it will start from the boy underscore movement 1 dance move and it will proceed to the boy underscore movement 2 dance move. And there you go. We have the two dance moves of your character. Okay.